Seems to free his mind at night.
At night. At night.
Hey everyone, how's it going? So I have here the Hansshow light strip for your Frunk. So this will be inserted underneath here where the weather strip is at. And then you use the auto release for your Frunk to power up this LED light, and it will turn off when your car locks itself. So this won't stay on for long duration as long as you have the front closed. So what we're gonna do first is remove this front cover. So this is a Model Y. It's slightly different from the Model 3 S and X, but they open pretty much the same. There's 3 clips on the top. And what you wanna do is use your finger, or if you have a pry tool, push outward and then lift up. That's how you take it off. So right now we still have power here. You can either remove the 12-volt connector to your 12-volt battery, or go into your safety on your display and click on power off. You do need to wait about 2 to 3 minutes before the whole car shut off. Just don't get back into the driver's seat or the passenger seat or open any of the doors. And as you can hear, now the car is shut off. So we turn off on the display already. So now this power is actually off. So there's no power coming into the switch right now. You probably will see a green, but it's not really a light. This is just the color of this actual switch. It just remains a highlighted green color. So if anyone gets stuck in the front with no power, you still have access to this button here. So next we'll take out this plug here. You just want to wiggle it out. It does require a little force. And then just place this to the side. You're going to be splitting this 2 wires. So there's 3 on here. The gray one is the power. Either black for the black wire. So you have red and black on the LED light strip. The red one goes to the gray. And then the black one either goes to the black or the brown one. One is actually the power switch to your Frunk. So you can test it out first. This light should light up when you split the wire. If not, just make sure you connect the right one. The gray one is definitely the red one. The black one is different in every car. Usually it's the one that's not orange. Right now we don't have an orange one, so it could be the white one. We'll test it out first and then we'll let you know. So to split it, you can either use a scissor or you have a wire cutter. To split wires is better. Scissor, you gotta be careful. You just wanna do very light pressure in a circular motion, and then as you feel like there's some seam that's created, just go ahead and pinch it and pull it off. So just like that. And then make sure you have the threaded piece here and you'll be connecting with that. I highly recommend getting these quick disconnect electrical wire connector. So in case later you need to remove the frunk, you can just disconnect the wire without splitting or pulling the wire off instead of using electrical tape. All right, so this is what I did. I basically split the wire, the gray one and the brown one, which is the middle wire. So in the 3, I believe it's orange instead of brown. And then I just split it, and using this connector, nylon electrical wire connector, I just connect both sides and then just attach it. So later, if I want to detach this wire and the cable to this light, I can just quickly do it. I'll do a disconnect here too. So in case if you need to service your car or whatever, you just need to pull those 3 connector out instead of having to split the wire again. And if you're curious how to split the wire, all you do is just cut the wire apart. I know it sounds daunting, but after you cut it apart, you pull off the plastic on each side and then using this connector, place those wire in. So the wire from the car goes into each of the connector, and the LED light, you stripped it and then you attached it along with this switch here with the switch. So you combined it, and then that's how I attach it. So just so you see, so the red goes with the gray, and I use the connector red, and then for the connector blue, I connect the black and the brown wire together. And that's how this LED is lit up. And what I'm going to do is, since I don't have a lot of tension, this light will slightly be bulging out right here, and then I'll place it underneath. Okay, so if you're gonna do this, you probably want to split a little closer to the car. I split it a little too close, so I'm gonna have to lean the wire upwards like this. So this might be a little stressed, but it should be okay. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, close this,